Hi everyone! So for today's video, it is going to be very exciting because I am going to unbox another gaming chair. So this company, VANBOW Group, contacted me and they asked me if I can do a review, and of course I said yes because I love gaming chairs. So they let me choose one of their chairs. They have tons of chairs to choose from, and since my favorite color is pink, y'all know I got the color pink. Even though they gave this chair to me for free, I will be completely honest with everything. And they also gave me a discount code for you guys. So in case you guys want to buy it, I will be leaving it down in the description below. Or if you want to stay tuned till the end to see my review, I will also give it to you at the end. So first, let me tell you about this chair. This chair is the Killabee pink and white racing style gaming chair. It has a massage on the back, and this chair also has a footrest. So yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing it in a bit, and I'll be showing you a video montage of it, maybe just a little bit, and so that you guys don't get bored, because it's probably gonna take me an hour just to build it, because I'll be building it by myself. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. Here it is, you guys. This is the gaming chair. Please don't mind the mess in the background or on the sides. I sprayed it with some alcohol so it removes some of the dirt, but I have here my scissors. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box. This is the only company that really cares about their customers. Just by putting in some extra thing like this, it makes it so much better. It makes me feel like the company really cares about the customers. They don't want you to get hurt or injure yourself.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! As you can see, it's all done and I'm so happy with it. You can easily recline it. You don't even need to touch anything at the bottom. You don't have to pull anything. You can lock it if you want to. If you want to stay it on this position, you just push it and it won't move. And if you wanted to move it, just pull it up and then there you go. And it goes super low, like right now I could sleep in this chair. I'm not falling. Another thing that I like about this chair is that it has a massager. Can you hear that? I just turned it on. It has a massager and it's really good for me, especially because I have a scoliosis. And that's one of the problems whenever I sit for a long period of time, my back hurts. So I like this feature about it. I really like that there's an incline on the front part because it's more comfy that way. You'll feel like you're really secured on the chair. And I like that it is thick. The cushion is really thick. You can see on the side. I like that it feels more high quality, and for the price, I think it's about $160 or $170. For that price, it's a really good deal. You also get a footrest, so you can really sleep on this chair if you want to while playing. I'm just so excited. Like, I wish I would have gotten this chair in the beginning. Even the cushion on the arms, so much better. It's thicker and it feels so comfortable. And what I like about the armrests is that it doesn't click like from side to side. This one is just steady. I really don't like those chairs that have those armrests that keeps on clicking all the time. It just bothers me because it's annoying, you know. It does not stay still. It doesn't have a lock on it, and I don't think I really need that purpose. So I really like that it's steady, but it will move once you bend it like that. It will follow the chair, which means you can rest your arms too while you're here. It's like a nice height. It's like the same level as my head. This is just so pretty and so exciting. If you guys want to buy this chair, I will put a link down below, and also I will give you guys a promo code. It's MB15. I will put it over here. If you guys are interested, you will save $15. I believe that their promo code will only last for a few months, so if you want this chair, you should go get it already. If you're not sure about getting a chair yet, don't worry about it because they have a 30-day return period and it is for free. And they also have a 1-year warranty, so that's really good. In case something is wrong with it or something happens to it, then you can contact them and they are very nice. They will respond to you really quick. They have other colors too, not just pink. I just happen to get pink because that's my favorite color. Tell me what you think about this chair. Does it like inspire you to get your chair? Because I really love it. I'm so happy that I got it. Oh, by the way, you guys, there's only one problem with this chair. In case you get it, I'm here to tell you what is wrong. So there's just a typo over here. So on step 5, it says that this is number 7. This screw isn't number 7. Change it to number 16, you guys, so that you don't get confused. Because for the longest time I was trying to screw that number 7, but it won't work. It's too big for that. Other than that, I don't have a problem. I love this chair so much. So yeah, I hope this review or mini review, unboxing, opening, assembling video helped you guys. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also follow my Twitch so you can hang out with me. I will leave it right here. Also, it's gonna be on the description bar, so yeah, click that and follow me so we can hang out there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!